In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add email on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. All you have to do in order to add the email button right here at your profile page is first off switch your Instagram profile to a professional profile. To do that, hit add these three lines just like that, then select settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you find account type and tools, just like that. And then at the very top you can easily find switch to a professional account. If we tap on it, we can switch our account to professional. We can choose some category from suggested. Also we can select display on profile or not, then hit add done, and after that your Instagram profile will be turned into professional after you hit add next. That's it. Then we can right here tap add edit profile, and then if we scroll down we will find right here contact options. We can get into it, and then we can add the business email right here. So we can tap right there, and then let me enter some random fake email just like that, just to show you how it works. And after we have added an email, we can tap right here once at the back key and then get into profile display. That's where you should turn on the option which is called display contact info, just like that. And then right here you will be able to check your email, just like that. And then if we hit add done and then done again, we will see that email button on our Instagram profile. That's how you can easily add email on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.